Have you ever longed to see your prayers shift atmospheres, tear down strongholds, and unleash heaven's power on earth? Jesus said, if we had faith the size of a mustard seed, we could speak to mountains and they would move. He declared that we could uproot trees and cast them into the sea. But how do we access that level of authority? What if your prayer life could carry that same bold prophetic edge? Now it can. Best-selling Christian author Dr. Russell Welch has released a powerful new tool for the Remnant Army, Commanding the Heavens, Authority of Decrees and Declaration. This isn't just another prayer manual, it's a scriptural blueprint for strategic warfare, spiritual liberation and prophetic breakthrough. Inside, you'll discover how to dismantle demonic strongholds and territorial oppression, break generational curses that hinder spiritual inheritance, release authoritative decrees that shift atmospheres, liberate your family, neighborhood and city from darkness. Align with heaven's government and legislate divine purpose on earth. Whether you're leading a congregation, stewarding a prophetic calling, or just yearning for deeper alignment with God's will, this manual was written to activate and equip you. It's time to pray with precision, declare with boldness, and legislate with heaven's authority. Don't wait. The enemy won't. Order your copy of Commanding the Heavens today on Amazon and unleash the warrior within.